Hi there! Let's talk about how to set up Pinterest business accounts. The first reason you need to use a business account on Pinterest instead of a personal type of account is to comply with Pinterest's terms of service. You don't want your account to be closed for using a personal profile for commercial purposes, right? The second reason is that when you create a business account or convert your personal account into a business type, you can use your business name as it is, and you don't need to pretend that you're a person with the first name Star and the last name Bucks. Some users of personal profiles try to use this workaround and they add their business names in the fields of their personal name. This looks very inappropriate. Let's talk about other advantages of business accounts. Since business accounts are created with a commercial purpose, there is a set of features only available for this type of accounts. It's Pinterest Analytics, Pinterest Ads, and the availability of rich pins and website confirmation. Let's talk about how we set up the Pinterest business account. I suppose that most of you taking this course already run a Pinterest account associated with your blog or online business, but for those of you who are using their personal account to promote their site, I would recommend two things. First, you need to create a separate account for personal use because you don't want to confuse Pinterest algorithm with random pins or random boards you're saving for yourself. Second thing is that when you create an account associated with your blog, make sure it is a business account. If it's not to worry, just make the conversion to a business account. It's a very simple and quick process that will have a great influence on your Pinterest success in the future. If you're creating a brand new business account, you need to follow the first link. If you're making a conversion from a personal to a business account, the second link is for you. I'll give you both of these links in your workbooks for this video. Next two things you'll have to make in your Pinterest account is to verify your website and to enable rich pins. I know that some bloggers, especially those who are not very tech savvy, experience difficulties with these two steps. Both of the steps can involve editing your website's HTML code, and that's what is recommended on Pinterest official's instructions. But don't worry because I'll show you an easier way to do it, and it will be done in no time. So now I'll show you how to verify your site on Pinterest with Yoast SEO plugin. There are several ways to verify your site on Pinterest, but I think that for most of bloggers who don't want to mess up with HTML code or other methods proposed by Pinterest, the easiest way is to use Yoast SEO plugin. The free version of it includes everything that you need for site verification and to enable your rich pins. I'll give you a link to the page of this plugin in your workbooks as well, but you can easily find it in the WordPress plugin directory. When you first install Yoast SEO plugin, you'll have limited settings. In the next tab, you need to enable the advanced settings. You need to go to Features, scroll down a little bit until you find the advanced settings. Click to enable them. After this is done, you will start seeing these additional options. Now we need to confirm your website on your Pinterest account. You click on Settings in your Pinterest account, you scroll down and find Claim Your Website. I'm not going to unclaim my site for the purpose of this video, but I made a special post on my blog about all of this process, and I'm going to show you from that post which window is going to pop up after you click on Claim Your Website. So here's the window, the pop-up window. Don't close it yet, you'll need it on the next steps. I'm going back to Yoast SEO plugin where you already must have the social tab open. In the social tab, you find Pinterest and you see the Pinterest confirmation. Now you need to copy and paste the code from the pop-up window to this field here. You're not done yet. Now you need to go back to your Pinterest account and find there the Finish button. As a result of this process, Pinterest should show you a green checkbox next to your domain. This is how it looks for my website, and if you see the same thing, it means that the first step is finished for you. So if everything is done on this step, congratulations, and let's move to the next step, enabling rich pins for your site. Check the instructions in the next video.